Here is the question. A cylindrical steel rod 0.01 meter in diameter and 0.2 meter in length is first heated to 750 degrees centigrade and then immersed in a water bath at 100 degrees centigrade. The heat transfer coefficient is 250 watt per meter square Kelvin. The density, specific heat and thermal conductivity of steel are rho 7801 kg per meter cube, specific heat C 473 joule per kg Kelvin and thermal conductivity 43 watt per meter Kelvin respectively. The time required for the rod to reach 300 degrees centigrade is dash seconds. This question was asked in GATE 2016, set 1 for 2 marks, and this is a numerical ability type question. Now here in the question he said this is a cylindrical steel rod. So this is a cylindrical steel rod which is having diameter 0.01 meters, length is 0.2 meters. Now we need to calculate the characteristic length LC, which is volume by surface area. Volume of the cylinder is pi by 4 d square L and surface area is pi dl. So from this we will get the characteristic length LC as d by 4, which is 0.01 by 4. We can take this as 0.0025 meters. This is what we have got as the characteristic length. Now in the question he said this is first heated to 750 degrees centigrade. So the initial temperature is given and the ambient temperature or the water bath temperature T infinity is 100 degrees centigrade. The heat transfer coefficient H is 250 watt per meter square Kelvin. Density, specific heat and thermal conductivity are given. The time required for the rod to reach 300 degrees centigrade is, so the final temperature T is given. We need to determine tau in this question. So in order to solve this, first of all we need to calculate Biot number by using HLC by K. So H value is given in the question as 250 into LC is 0.0025 divided by 43 is the thermal conductivity. So from this we will get 0.01453 as the Biot number, and this Biot number value is less than 0.1. So we can apply lumped system analysis. And we need to determine time tau. So for that we know that T minus T infinity by Ti minus T infinity is equal to e power minus HAS by rho Vc into tau. So this can be written as ln T minus T infinity by Ti minus T infinity equal to minus H by rho C into volume by surface area multiplied by time tau. So this volume by surface area is nothing but the characteristic length LC. Now substituting the values, ln T temperature is 300 minus 100, initial temperature is 750 minus 100, this is equal to minus H value is 250 into tau we need to determine by density is 7801 into specific heat 473 multiplied by LC is 0.0025. On solving this, we are going to get 43.49 seconds as the time tau, and substituting that value here 43.49 seconds, and this is the end of explanation for this question.